This is a short tutorial to the setup of serial console access to various SolidRun products. The serial console, also known as UART console or terminal, is an essential tool in development and debug of software running on embedded systems. This is especially useful for the initial bring-up and development phase. Through the serial console, you can control the bootloader and see the early kernel boot messages. After boot, you can log into your system through the serial console and get shell access, which is independent from keyboard, mouse, or screen. On some SolidRun boards, the serial console is accessible through a micro USB connector. Use a standard micro USB cable to connect the board to your PC. Some other SolidRun products provide a bare pins header for serial console access. Use a UART TTL to USB adapter. The TTL side is attached to the board's serial console header. Make sure to connect each dongle line to the correct board pin. The dongle RX line connects to the board TX pin. The dongle TX line connects to the board RX pin. The dongle GND or ground line connects to the board ground pin. We show the humming board here. On other products, the pinout might be different. The USB side connects to your PC. Now, let's load up the operating system. We'll start with Windows. Now look up the COM port that is assigned to your serial device under Ports, COM and LPT. Find, download and install the PATI program for Windows on the PATI configuration window and select the serial connection type. Under Serial Line, put in the USB COM port. Set speed to 115200. Click Open at the bottom of the window. You are now all set. Now, let's get over to Linux. There are many serial port control programs for Linux. We choose to install the minimalist PicoCom utility. At your PC, find the USB serial port device node. The device node name usually starts with /dev/TTY USB. This command runs PicoCom at the right bitrate on the USB serial port device node. You are now all set. To exit the PicoCom session, type Ctrl-A followed by Ctrl-X. For more information, visit our Developer Resources site.